Shalom friends, I'm out in the yard today and I am going through some of our Jerusalem artichoke garden beds. I had to transplant these right here. This is where I have my fennel, and then I have some of the green onions growing. So I really just wanted fennel for this garden bed, but I had left some of the Jerusalem artichoke in here, so now I see where they're at and I can just pop them up. Just pull them up. Let me just show you how they look. So basically, once you get one of these, they're like rhizomes, similar to ginger and turmeric roots. Once you plant one, they kind of multiply. And Jerusalem artichoke is pretty nutritional, so it's a good staple food because they multiply really fast. In about a few months, you can have thousands of these. I'm going to feed some of these to our chickens, and we like to eat them too. They also are very high in vitamin B. So remember Jerusalem artichoke. We will have plants for sale on our website along with some of the rhizomes at Epps Urban Homestead. All right, guys, until next time, peace. Jerusalem artichokes.